Hello everyone, this is Yamini Chauhan, and in this video we are going to talk about investment strategy of income investment. First, we should know what is investment. The action or process of investing money for profit. An investment is an asset or item that is purchased with the hope that it will generate income or will appreciate in the future. Now let's understand income investment. Income investing is an investment strategy that is centered on building an investment portfolio specifically structured to generate regular income. The sole objective of the income investing strategy is to generate a constant stream of income. The constant income can be in the form of dividends, bond yield, and interest payments. Now, move to further a basic income investing portfolio. Government bonds. Government bonds are considered a very safe means of investing one's money and generating income. They are low risk instruments, making them attractive investment options. They can be loosely described as an investor lending their money to the government for a specific period, low risk exposure, and bond yield in return. Second, stock. Shares as investment instrument for an income investing portfolio include company stock that pay regular increasing dividends. They can be both common stocks and preferred stocks. Dividend payments help generate constant returns over time. Third, corporate bonds. Corporate bonds are similar to government bonds. Expect in the former, investors lend their money to companies instead of governments for a specific period of time. The only other difference between the two bonds is the compared to government bonds. Corporate bonds carry a relatively higher level of risk. However, given the associated higher level of risk, corporate bonds generally provide higher bond yield than government bonds. Fourth, real estate. Real estate is a very popular and highly attractive investment option, especially for an income investing portfolio. Real estate investment can generate a constant stream of income in the form of rental income. It also offers prosperous long term capital stock growth options in additional current tax benefit. Fifth, mutual fund. Money market mutual funds are also an integral component of income investing portfolios. They generate a periodic inflow of income in the form of dividends, interest payments, etc. In additional interest bearing accounts with banks, including saving accounts and money market accounts, provide the lowest risk and safest means of ensuring a constant inflow of cash. Now, advantage of income investing supplements fixed income. Income investing is a very beneficial of supplementing one's fixed in monthly annual income. It is a great way of earning additional support income out of assets which can be used for daily spending needs. Second, potential capital stock growth. Income investing offers the potential for capital stock growth in the long term, which can positively contribute to one's wealth over the coming years. Thank you.